Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you how to set up your profile on PancakeSwap. So the first thing I want you to notice here on the top right hand side is a wallet. It says a wallet and it's got your address there. Normally, if you've set your profile up already, you will have a little kind of bunny there, one of the 5 bunnies for PancakeSwap. So if it's not there, then we need to set up the profile. And this is in order for you to be eligible to mint these kind of 10,000 NFT tokens that are coming out in PancakeSwap, which could be absolutely massive. So I would say you definitely want to get in on this because it could be really, really big and it could be worth a lot of money. And you've got to remember PancakeSwap itself has 1 million followers on Twitter. So that alone gives it a lot of social credibility. And once they kind of post out about their NFT, it's going to go massive. Plus the fact the NFT marketplace is going to be huge as well. So it's better to get set up on a profile, and you could do it with a couple of wallets like I'm going to do. I don't know if it's going to be of any benefit, but I'm going to do that just in case there is some kind of benefit to it. So I'll show you how to do it. First of all, we need some cake. So you need to get some cake, buy some cake for $20 each. Just buy 2 or 1.5 that you really need, and have some BNB in your kind of bag as well, in your wallet. Just a couple of dollars worth of BNB. So we'll get started and we'll just go cake. So you can see here I've got 12 cake in already. You can see balance 12.13. So then what we're going to do is go over to your wallet, click on make a profile, and then we're going to get started here. So you pick one of these profiles. It's going to cost you 1 cake for this. Click on one of the profiles, churro, enable that. It's going to cost you 10 cents to enable it. There's a confirm transaction, so just confirm that. And then confirm again, another small fee. There's the confirmed. So as you've got your profile picture, but you've got your picture there, and to set your profile picture, churro, just enable that. So this is allow collectible to be locked. The collectible you've chosen will be locked in a smart contract while it's being used as your profile picture. Don't worry, you'll be able to get it back at any time. So you can do that, confirm that. And next step, you're going to join a team. So you've got that confirmed there, dead easy. Next step, join a team. You can join any of these teams. Just go, I've joined Syrup Storm for a couple of them. And this lets you show off your stats and things like that, and you collect your NFTs and things that you want to do. What I'll do is just do CYT-Crypto. That's not been taken. I understand that people can view my wallet if they know my username. All good. Confirm that. Sign it. Complete profile. So submitting NFT to contract and confirming username and team. So enable that. So it costs you 0.5 cake for that, which is about $10. So this is really a way for you to show off your stats and things like that within PancakeSwap. But really we're setting all this up just because we want to get to mint those NFTs that come out. And if you've got your profile set up, I think you'll get in 2 hours earlier than the public kind of minting. That's my understanding just now. Confirm that. We'll sign it once again. I know there's a lot of steps. Confirm. So that's a confirm now. And there we go. So you'll now see here at the wallet, it's got the little bunny there, the churro bunny. And it says we're part of Syrup Storm as well. If you go into profile, just click on your profile and this is what you're going to see. But that's it. That's all you do to set up your profile. And as I said, this is going to get you hopefully earlier access to this public minting that's going to be coming out. And if you set up a few wallets with this, it could be that you get more chances to get in. They might do a maximum of 10 NFTs that you can do or something like that. So I'm going to set up multiple wallets with this. So I'll probably set up about 10 wallets just in case I can get more. So you might want to do the same. It's only going to cost you 1.5 cake for this and a couple of dollars in BNB. So it might be worth it. I think these could be really valuable in the future, these NFTs. Okay, until next time, namaste, take care, bye now.